How to pay Apollo Group TV with Bitcoin. I'm going to tell you how to pay Apollo Group TV with Bitcoin. First, head over to apollogroup.tv and log into your account, or create one if you're new. Once you're in, go to the subscription section and choose your plan. Now, here's the key part. When you're checking out, select Bitcoin as your payment option. Apollo will show you two things: the exact amount of Bitcoin you need to send and the wallet address. Make sure to copy both exactly. Don't round up or down. Bitcoin is precise. If you don't already have Bitcoin, head to a site like Chainbits, set the currency to USD, paste the BTC amount and Apollo's wallet address, and buy using your debit or credit card. Make sure you're using a secure connection and double check the wallet address. If you already have Bitcoin in a wallet like Coinbase or Trust Wallet, just send the exact amount to Apollo's wallet. Once the transaction confirms, and that can take up to 2 hours, you'll get access to all live TV and VOD content.